Imagine a world where programming becomes an exciting adventure, where complex code transforms into colorful challenges, and where learning becomes a playful journey. Welcome to Learn Python with Pythra'a, the game designed to make programming accessible, engaging, and fun for pre-college students. We understand that traditional programming education can be overwhelming, especially for younger learners. That's why we've created a game that transforms the daunting world of coding into an interactive and enjoyable experience. Get ready to embark on a thrilling quest to learn Python. In Learn Python with Pythra, you will step into a vibrant world filled with friendly characters and exciting challenges. As you explore colorful levels and overcome obstacles, you will discover the fundamentals of Python programming in a way that's tailored for young minds. But here is the secret ingredient: our interactive tutorials. You will find engaging videos that break down complex programming concepts into easy to understand explanations. But that's not all. Our game features an interactive scoreboard that tracks progress, celebrates accomplishments, and encourages healthy competition among friends. Climb the leaderboard and showcase your Python expertise. Don't let the fear of programming hold you back. Step into the world of Learn Python with Pythra, where learning becomes an exciting adventure. Join us on this journey where coding concepts come to life, creativity thrives, and young minds flourish. Let's unlock the power of Python together.